Hello everyone, great to have your company on Kalkine TV. I'm Sage and you're watching The Buzzing Trends. Today we'll be discussing 9 off-the-radar ASX dividend stocks to buy in 2022. We often see that stocks with high dividend yields get more attention from the market participants. Increased dividend yield indicates good investment opportunities. However, in many cases, higher dividend yield could also be due to falling share price. In either of the above cases, the higher dividend yield stocks catch market attention. Given that, here are 9 off-the-radar ASX dividend stocks with decent dividend yields with the potential to grow in the coming period. First up, Dividend is ASX-listed technology hardware, software and cloud distributor. It announced an interim dividend of 0.09 Australian dollars per share, payable on the 1st of December 2021. And the company has reported revenue growth of 16.1% in the third quarter of 2021. Further, the company acquired Gpt Group on 30th July 2021, and the acquisition has increased its New Zealand business and is projected to double in size for the financial year 2022. Dividend stock is trading at $14.25 per share today. Perpetual is next, an autonomous financial services group operating in funds management, financial advisory as well as trustee services. It provided a final dividend of 96 cents Australian on the 24th of September 2021. And in the September 2021 quarter, the company reported a 2.7% growth in assets under management. The company had a positive start in financial year 2021 and noted constant momentum around the business, and all 4 units reporting strong growth to start the new financial year. Perpetual stock is trading at $36.50 per share today. Monadelphus Group is a leading Australian engineering group. It offers building, maintenance as well as industrial services to the resources, energy and infrastructure sectors. It offered a fully franked final dividend of 21 cents Australian per share on the 24th of September this year. And in the financial year 2021, the company was awarded 950 million Australian dollars of new contracts and contract extensions. It also announced that it has secured new contracts and contract extensions in the resources sector of around 110 million Australian dollars. And Monadelphous Group stock is trading at $9.37 Australian per share today. GUD owns a portfolio of companies in the automotive, aftermarket and water products sectors. It provided a final dividend of 32 cents Australian per share on the 3rd of September 2021. And on the 28th of October 2021, the company announced that it has agreed to acquire the Vision X Group of lighting businesses. The acquisition of Vision X Group is in line with part of the company's strategy to diversify into new markets, and GUD stock is trading at $12.38 Australian per share today. Alumina invests in bauxite mining and alumina refining via Alcoa World Alumina and Chemicals. It's a joint venture with Alcoa, and the company offered an interim dividend of 0.046 Australian dollars per share on the 15th of September 2021. In the first half of financial year 2021, the company achieved a record alumina and bauxite production. It noted that its aluminium demand went back to pre-COVID levels, and alumina is currently trading at $1.83 Australian per share. And now, before we take a look at more off-the-radar ASX dividend stocks to buy in 2022, let's give you some time to grab a pen and some paper and take a small break. Hello, welcome back to Kalkine TV. Let's take a look at more of those off-the-radar ASX dividend stocks to buy in 2022. And Metcash is a wholesaler to independent retailers in the food, grocery, liquor, hardware and automotive industries. It provided a final dividend of 0.095 Australian dollars per share on the 11th of August 2021. In financial year 2021, the company's revenue increased 9.9% to reach 14.3 billion Australian dollars. And Metcash is currently trading at $4.14 Australian. Adbury manufacture cement, lime, concrete and aggregates and concrete masonry products. It offered an interim dividend of 0.055 Australian dollars per share on the 4th of November 2021. And the company entered into a deal to acquire Zanow's concrete and quarries business. Adbury stock is currently trading at $3 Australian per share. Gpt Group also has made the list. It's among the largest diversified property groups, and it owns and manages a portfolio of retail, office and logistics property assets across Australia. A contract was exchanged during the September 2021 quarter on the sale of GPT Wholesale Shopping Centre Funds Wollongong Central for 402 million Australian dollars, in line with book value. On the 18th of October 2021, it announced the acquisition of a portfolio from Ascot Capital as well. And GPT Group stock is trading at $5.17 Australian per share today. And Worley is a global company that offers professional projects and asset services in the energy, chemicals and resources sector. It provided a final dividend of 25 cents Australian per share on the 29th of September 2021. And aggregated revenue declined during the period from 11,249 million Australian dollars in the financial year 2020 to 8,774 million Australian dollars. Post the end of financial year 2021, Worley secured multiple contracts, and these included a services project at Saudi Aramco's Ras Tanura refinery, a contract to aid the development of a low-carbon fuels facility at the Shell Energy and Chemicals Park, Rotterdam, and a contract for a direct air capture to fuels facility awarded by Oxy Low Carbon Ventures. Worley stock is trading at $9.81 Australian per share today. And while chasing for high dividend yield stocks, we as investors tend to miss a few dividend stocks here and there with high growth potential. The above dividend stocks that we've just covered belong to the ASX 200's index, but are not amongst the top 25 stocks with respect to high dividend yields, and can be explored while looking for dividend stocks. And on that note, that's all for now. And thanks for your company. Hopefully you enjoyed the list of potential dividend payers on the Buzzing Trends show today. Stay tuned for more of the news from the stock markets, business and the economy from Kalkine TV. This is Sage signing off.